Welcome. Thank you so much for joining us again in this YouTube channel. For those who are just joining us for the first time, thank you so much for joining us. Please do not forget to like this video channel. For those who have not subscribed, please do not forget to subscribe. Here are the headlines. Matters arising on Tinubu. Yoruba nation freedom and insecurity in Yoruba land. So we see that matters are really arising on Tinubu, the presidential aspirant of the APC. 2 weeks ago, Tinubu went to visit Obasanjo in his villa at Abeokuta, and they stayed for 3 hours in a closed room. Nobody heard what they discussed, and Nigerians are skeptical about what they discussed on that day in a closed room. Now, last week, Tinubu also went to visit the ex-president of Nigeria, Goodluck Jonathan. Tinubu is kind of a cunning man, full of falsehood. And most Yoruba nations, although they are both Yorubas, they don't like him because of the fact he's not straightforward and he's not even supporting the Yoruba people. The Yoruba people have been going through hell in the hands of the Fulani terrorists, which some people call freedom fighters in their own language. But Tinubu, instead of helping the Yoruba to escape from this bondage, has been going for, campaign spree, going all over Nigeria, trying to get more supporters. He has neglected his own people. So the Yoruba people too have neglected him. They don't even take him again as part of them because he has also forgotten about them. If you remember some years ago, Tinubu came out and said nobody should vote for Obasanjo because he's an election witcher and he's an expired mech. And now he went to his place to ask for his support and to ask for his consultations. Goodluck Jonathan, that Tinubu insulted and criticized for how many years, that he was not worthy to be the president of Nigeria, that thank God he has left the seat. He is the same person that Tinubu went to meet for support again. So we can see that the politicians are really, really playing smart and they are really very desperate to gain power. And we can see the Yoruba nation, the freedom, it has still been fighting, like the freedom we are all clamoring for is still ongoing. While some people are indifferent about it, some people are having sleepless nights over this. Some people are most especially people abroad. If you notice, if you look at watch their Valley videos, you see how they do it endlessly. They are not suffering. They are abroad. They can decide to keep quiet and nothing will happen. But because this is their motherland, this is their fatherland, they've been speaking up, clamoring for the freedom. Why the youth in Nigeria, the Yoruba nation youth, they have been busy following Emilokon. They have been busy collecting, the amount from Jagaban because they want to support him. It is time for the Yoruba nation to come together as one. I've been saying this for some time now. I keep on hammering on this. If there was no love and unity among the Yoruba people, they would never become an independent nation. This is not a cause. This is what we are saying, because we see different factions. People are creating factions among the Yoruba people. We see Yorubas fighting against Yorubas. How would everything work out well if we all hate ourselves? If we all are looking at our differences? The insecurity in the Yoruba land is increasing. It's increasing day by day, faster. And we see sometimes those Fulanis, they come from wherever they are coming from, creep into most especially Lagos, and we don't know about it. I think it was last week, in Ogun, if I'm correct, Ogun or Osun State, that they said they caught one Fulani tourist that he disguised to be working as vigilante in that. Was it vigilante or was like maybe all those people that work on farms that they pay them to work on their farms? The guy had already disguised already to work there. What does he want to gain? Maybe to get more information, the weaknesses of those people, and then to go and call his brothers and they will come and destroy, kill people, kidnap people, and begin to ask for ransom. And the government has been quiet on Sokokon. Insecurity in Yoruba land. We have been talking about it for some time now. People have been crying. They are killing our children, killing our husbands, killing our wives, killing our brothers and our sisters. But the federal government they have been very quiet. There was one story in Osun State that the First Lady Kafayat, Her Excellency Kafayat, was attacked by hoodlums towards the market area, and then that same day she was attacked. It was an attempted attack, the attack did not get to her, but they made a law immediately that those pedestrians, all those people displaying their wares near the road, they should not see them there again. They made a law before 24 hours expired. Not talk of people that have been killing in different states, but especially in the Yoruba states. They've been killing them. They have been calling out, saying, it is getting too much. They are killing us. We can't sleep with our two eyes closed any longer. But the government have been quiet. Is it that we are second-class citizens of Nigeria? That is the reason why the white people are calling out and saying that, okay, since you've classified us as second-class citizens of this country, let us move out and let's go and do our own country. They think that's the best thing now, because the government are not even concerned about the lives of anybody. All they want is their own selfish desires. Politicians come every 4 years asking us for our vote. After we vote for them, they disappear and they go and embezzle our money into foreign accounts. Millions of dollars, billions of dollars, taxes that we pay. Money that should be used for infrastructure, good roads, schools. You go to some communities, they have to go to another community to attend school there. But in the time of Obafemi Awolowo, there was a free education scheme for the children. That's why most Yorubas are educated. But can the government now, can they have that kind of sense and do that same thing? No. All they want is just their own selfish desire. All they want, that is only what is in their head. This is why the Yoruba nation are saying, Edekama we are tired. And I kind of support the Yoruba people. Because if you look at what is happening, we will not blame them for this decision they've made. If you see how they kill one person, don't talk of 2 person, 3 person, 4, 5, 10, 20, 50, then you would also stand up for them. What do you feel about what is happening? The fact that Tinubu and some, very, very popular Yoruba, governors or people that have Yoruba land, you can see them. They are going for politics, looking for where they will get more money. But the likes of Chief Sunday Igboho, those people that have been standing, pray that God will continue to strengthen them, God will continue to bless them, answer their prayers, that the enemy will not see them. God will continue to protect them. Every plans of the enemy do not get near them. What do you feel about what is happening? I feel very sad. I don't know about you. Let me hear this in the comment section. How do you feel about this? If this is your first time in joining us on this YouTube channel, please don't forget to like this video channel and please just a comment. Let me, what do you feel about this? And also do not forget to click on the red button and subscribe to this YouTube channel. Thank you so much for your time. Thank you so much for listening. Same time here. God bless.